What's up? We're back with another video. This is actually a refilm. So I filmed this video about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was going to edit it and all my footage got messed up. Somehow my camera settings switched and I have no idea what happened. So we're basically gonna refilm this. I gotta reset up everything that we already did once, but it's fine, it's cool. I hope this is the day after Thanksgiving that I'm filming this. I don't know when I'll get to uploading it. I already got, I think, 3 other videos that I have filmed. I just really have not had time to edit. I've been really busy with the holidays and work and stuff like that. So today we are gonna film this new video, and it is putting the rims and putting 2 out of the 4 rims off of my old truck that I sold Nate onto my new one. And I know this is already on my Instagram. I'm gonna try to get a better picture today. I went and washed the truck, and last time the truck was filthy when we filmed it. So kind of glad that we get to redo this, and hopefully I can it's getting dark right now, so hopefully I can get it out when it's still half-assed daylight, so you guys can kind of see what it's gonna end up looking like eventually. I am buying these rims back or trading something. Nate was gonna put them on the 86, but he's deciding to go a different route on that. So long story short, we already seen what it looked like, and we both agreed that they need to go on this truck. So like I said, eventually I will get them. We still got to get the other 2 off. Like you guys remember in the past, I kept breaking all the lug nuts, and he's been working on that here and there whenever he's got time. So yeah, I'm gonna help him get those other 2 off. And then next summer or next spring after the winter, then we'll throw them on. And yeah, then that truck will almost be complete besides deleting it, which I also need to do. I'm gonna call a couple places over the winter time and try to get good ideas on the kits and stuff like that. I'm gonna call this company that does a very good job, and we'll see how much they are gonna charge, because I want a really good kit. I don't want just like a 1 stage tune or anything like that. I want to be able to switch it on the fly, 5-stage tune, then all the way up to 250 horsepower. So I'm switching the turbo as well. I'm going to a 9-blade, I believe, and yeah, it's not gonna be a very cheap thing to do. So that's gonna be probably next year that I get to that. I'm gonna probably not do much on that truck over the winter time. Kind of worry about saving up money so that next summer we can do kind of everything at once. I still want to get some traction bars, and I've been looking at some overlays for my frame. They're like chrome and stuff, very cool looking. So I think I'm gonna buy them. Traction bars. These rims and tires will go on. So besides that, and then deleting the whole thing, I'm gonna get everything powder coated the same color. Haven't really figured out the color yet, but yeah, there's still quite a bit of work that I want to do to it. But right now we're just concentrated on, you know, getting through the holidays, and then get through the winter, because there's really nothing to do for us in the winter time. I mean, I've been tinting windows a little bit here and there, but I'm not filming any of that. I filmed multiple videos on tinting, and they don't do very well. So I think this video will do pretty cool, or do pretty good. So yeah, that's an update. Next clip will probably be me showing you guys what this thing looks like. It looks insane. Like I said, I've already seen it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's anything else that you guys want to film. I think I'm gonna do so I got a KLX 110. It's kind of already built, but I think this winter that's gonna be like a series that I do, is redoing that. I want to do a bunch of stuff to it, make it look really cool and stuff. So like I said, there is some work already done to it. Like, it's got the exhaust, it's got the motor plates, like red anodized plates and stuff, and got the high-rise bars. It's got a graphic kit. So but I want to redo all that, and then let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. I know everyone knows that my background is riding dirt bikes, so that'll just be a fun little project, something different to get away from truck content and car content. like I said, we really don't have anything right now to do on the L5P till next year. And then the only car would be Nate's Le Mans. He's redoing right now, but I can't really film. I mean, I could probably film where it's getting built, but I don't like making people feel weird about having a camera around when they're working and stuff like that. So I haven't filmed any of that. So when he gets it back to his house, I think we're gonna have to do like brake lines and stuff. So that's gonna be pretty soon, actually. So I'll film all that once he gets it back to his house. Other than that, he's not really doing much to any of his vehicles. We do got a race kind of lined up that we're gonna have to go to Mexico again for. You guys know that. But it's kind of gonna be a boring race, but I want to race. I got a Yukon 5.3 in it with programmer, and my buddy Gabe's got a stock newer 5.3. His is like a 2020 or 2022, and we want to see if like my version of a 5.3 with a tuner versus like a stock 5.3 in a new truck, which one's gonna be faster. I think the truck's going to be, but we'll see. I mean, it could be something to do with gearing too, because his is like a model. I don't know what model it is, but it's some performance model one. So anyways, hopefully next clip is you guys seeing the truck for the first time with the new rims and tires on it. Hope you guys enjoy, and hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. Like I said, I don't know when this video is going to go up. I got other videos still sitting that I got to finish. I know we did color match mirrors on Nate's truck that we filmed. I filmed AutoFest, big car show, like a long time ago, and I still haven't finished that. I got them both started, and then this video that I'm filming right now was already filmed, so I would have had 3 videos for you guys. And then I was gonna spend the weekend not filming because I don't have anything to film, and edit all 3 and then just space them out. Like maybe do one, skip 3 days, do the other one, skip 3 days, and then do another one or something like that, just to give you guys consistent content for the next couple weeks. And then, like I said, I'm not sure how you guys are gonna like, a 110 build, but I think it would be pretty cool, something different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like the looks of what the truck's gonna be like. All right, so I just pulled it outside to show you guys what the rock lights look like with these rims and tires on. Looks very cool. I love this setup, man. Very clean. It's exactly what I envisioned with this truck. I'm gonna show you guys in the garage, and then tomorrow I'll pull it back out in the daylight so you guys can kind of look at everything. But I just filmed the rock lights and the rims and tires. Everything looks good. I just said this, but anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the garage. I got a bunch of LED lights in here. It's not gonna give it like the full effect because I don't have enough room to like step back and actually like film the whole entire truck. So it's gonna be like, kind of like more of a close-up video. And then tomorrow, like I said, we will pull it back outside, show you guys the old side versus what the plans are for this truck springtime. So yeah, let's check this out real quick. So yeah, that's what this looks like right now. Like I said, I'm gonna film tomorrow and show you guys in the daylight, but I am gonna finish this video in this clip. So then the only thing I have to do tomorrow is literally go outside, do a little photo shoot kind of thing, and then I'll be able to edit it all and mix it in to the actual video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, man. It's been a long time coming for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys like the new look. And like I said, tomorrow I will show you guys the other side because we do only have two on, and then the opposite side of the truck is the old setup, which I never wanted to keep to begin with, but it'll show you guys kind of the new style of a look versus like a lot of people that run that older, you know, 20-inch rim with 33s, no offset, anything like that. So this is like the new style versus the old style. So, and I'll kind of show you guys, maybe it's my garage, but I really think that these tires are bigger than the other ones. Don't know why. They're both 33s by 12.5s. Yeah, these are on 22s, the opposite side's on 20s, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But like it's sitting in my garage, it does look like there's a complete difference. So we'll put it outside tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Go like, comment, do whatever you guys want. We will pick this up tomorrow, and no, we're not going to pick this up tomorrow because this is the end of the video, but there will be a clip that I filmed tomorrow that I'm going to put in before this. So love everyone. Go subscribe, go watch my TikToks, follow me on Instagram. Everything is like DMax970. There might be another 0 at the end of, I think, my Instagram, but I think TikTok is the same thing as my YouTube. Yeah, love you guys. Have a good night. Peace.